around $240 per month, $8 per day. This is the easiest ways to mine cryptocurrency from the comfort of your home. This could be from a PC, laptop, or a GPU, or even with a CPU. So stay tuned, because in today's strategy I will reveal exactly how you can do this step by step. So hi everyone, my name is Mike, and as you know, cryptocurrencies are changing the world. There has never been a better opportunity to make money online. So for that reason, I want you to benefit from those profits from anywhere in the world. So with that said, let me take you to the computer and get started with today's strategy. So for today's strategy, I'm gonna show you a few websites where you can actually mine crypto from your own home, from your own laptop. But just keep watching all the steps on the video, because I want to show you how to do it safely, so you don't mess around with your computer and you have everything under control. So the first website which I will allow you to go to is called Cryptstacks.org. okay, so once that you are on this website, it's going to allow you to mine cryptocurrency and pay you bitcoins or real world money in dollars or in other currency. Okay, so the dashboard will actually look like that, but I'm actually going to show you a few different futures. Let me see here. So the first thing I will allow you to do is I will allow you to download the app. So you will download the app into your computer, and then if you come here to the website, you're gonna be able to see more futures and how much you can earn. Okay, so it will all depend on what you're using. If you're using a gaming PC, a mining rig, or you have a mining farm. But this time we're just gonna be focusing on a gaming PC, because that's what we have. And you can see that the withdrawings is you can withdraw on bitcoins, or even you can send directly money to your bank, and the minimum withdrawal is $0.5, which is actually quite great. And then you will be able to download your app, and then the only thing you need to do is create your account, and then you need to have Cryptstacks running, because it's going to be doing the mine cloud mining for different cryptocurrencies, and then you're gonna be able to get paid. You'll start earning money from the same day that you actually enroll. So you can see more information here of the different products that they have. In case you have a different you might have different questions, you can come here to find out more information. And as well, here you can find the mining calculator, which actually gonna give you approximately how much money you could actually make with this platform. So once you sign up, this is how the website will look, and here you will be able to mine Bitcoin. Okay, this is just a demo account for purposes so you can show you how it works on the dashboard. But once that you start earning Bitcoin, the balance will show. Here you can click your balance, and here you can see your hardware, the hardware that you will be using, so the number of computers you have connected, the payout history, and then the request payment. So once that you want to request the payment, the good thing is it's very straightforward. The only thing you will need to just put the Bitcoin address that you want to send the funds to. This could be an exchange, like for example Coinbase, or if you have a hardware wallet, you could send it to your hardware wallet. I've left a link in the description for the hardware wallet that I recommend, which is the Ledger Nano. So if you have your Ledger Nano, you just need to copy the address and just paste it over here. But you don't have to just get paid on Bitcoin. You can get paid on Ethereum, or Russian cards, Joe Money, Advance Cash, Web Money, Visa, Mastercard, or even you can get different currencies. You can get euros or whichever you like. So just keep in mind that once that you start mining, you want to get the CPUs, you want to keep it underneath 60%. Okay, so there is a software which I'm going to recommend for you to download, which is very easy to download. You can go into GPU sept, and then you can download it, and then this is going to be able to track what is the usage, to make sure that you don't go above 70%, because if you go above 70% with the mining, that means that you're using too much power, and that could be detrimental for your computer. Okay, so you can go and check it out. It's free to download. It's called GPU sept. Okay, and as well, you can go into another website. You're using a rack and you're using a mining rig, you can go into msi.com, and here it's gonna be able to give you more information about how to keep your mining very safely. Okay, so you can see more information here, and different it gonna help you to see different features in order to keep your mining under control. You can check here a video, and then it's gonna explain you exactly how to do it. So that's one of the websites which I wanted to share with you, which is called Cryptstacks. Another website which it does Bitcoin cloud mining is called Hashgate.com. So again, come here, you can start crypto mining mining different currencies, as you can see. And then as soon as you start you register and you start mining, then you're gonna start getting paid. Okay, so this is actually very good, but just keep in mind your GPU usage should be below 70% for best practices. Okay, and here you're gonna explain you exactly how the mining works, and then you can start a Bitcoin cloud mining with these 3 simple steps. So it's very simple. You can just register, you select your plan in order for the power plan, and then you will be able to receive your Bitcoin straight away to your wallet or to any exchange that you might be holding your Bitcoin. I always for security purposes, I always advise you to hold it in a hardcore wallet, in a wallet, in this case the Ledger one, which you're gonna be able to store it there more safely. Okay, so just come to a website, check it out, and then sign up, and it's another option for you to start mining. So another website which I want to show you is called kudomining.com. Here it says the future cryptocurrency mining is here, so you can come here, check it out, see the different testimonials, and here you can see boost profits by 30% for your mining farm. And it will depend, you know, if you have rack miners, internet, you're in an internet cafe, or if you have your PC laptop. But here will be the one that I will highly recommend, because here this is something that you could actually do from your own computer. You know, it's backup for great brands, so it's a trustworthy website like BBC, MoneyWeek, Forbes, and then they're gonna give you different advice and different guidelines on how you can increase your profits. Okay, so I invite you to come check it out. It's called cloudminer.com, and with that said, you could actually start mining from today, you know, straight away. So this is very good. Just come check it out, and once that you put all this website into work, then you can get mining rewards from different applications. Okay, so another website which I want to show you is called Minergate. So when you go into Minergate, here you're gonna be able to register, you know, and then you're gonna be able to mine different cryptocurrencies. You know, now it says an error, so let's go again to the home page. Then let's go again to the home page, and then once that you are on the website, the only thing you just need to do is you just need to sign up. Let me sign up. And once that you sign up, you know, it will work similar process, you know. So I don't want to waste your time, you know. It says several error, maybe because my internet connection is something missing out, but it's very simple. You can just come here, you can see the different downloads, you can see the different mining pools, and then it's gonna give you an option to as well mine cryptocurrency. So another website I want to show you is called Nicehash.com. So Nicehash.com was founded in 2014 and is the world's leading cryptocurrency platform for mining and trading. Okay, you can see here more information about the beliefs and what is the vision, and then you can see that it has been, you know, it's been followed, and you know, for thousands of people that have actually been involved with this platform. You know, you can find more company information, but then it will be as simple as click here and get started, and then you can start mining right away. Okay, you just need to put the right details, make sure that you put the right details, so then you can get all the information to your email address, confirm your account, and start mining from today. Okay, so this is all the websites that I wanted to share with you guys. I will highly recommend you to go take action and then sign up with them and start mining, but just keep in mind that you always want to do it in a safe way. So make sure that you keep your CPU usage below 70%, so it doesn't damage your computer. You know, so ideally, if this is the computer that you're going to be using for your daily work, perhaps if you have an additional computer, you could do the mining there, so it doesn't stop you from doing the things that you need to do, because obviously when you're doing the mining, everything on the computer is going to slow down. So if you want to do it in an alternative computer, that will be a good idea. So as I said, you can download your GPU.sept. So this is free software, just to make sure that you have you're working accordingly and you're not doing any excesses when it comes to the mining. And then you can go into another website using your graphic card, msi.com, to make sure that you have everything under control. Okay guys, so with that said, I hope that you enjoyed today's strategy, today's information. If you find it valuable, I would really appreciate it if you give me a massive like, because that will really help me to keep investing in the channel to make it better and bring you the latest information in the cryptocurrency world. world. And additionally, if you want to find out more about cryptocurrency and you want to get started, just please click on the first link in the description, because here you're gonna find all the fundamentals and all the information that you need in order to get started trading cryptocurrency and start making profits if you follow the steps. Okay, so with that said, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I'll come very soon with more strategies and more information to share with you so you can benefit from it. So take care, guys. I wish you all the best.